this is scary. And again, it goes to the issue that we're discussing, that there is some fundamental weakness in the Swiss. There is some weakness in the Swiss, and we don't know, I'm sorry, in the euro, and we don't know why it is. But that is the point. This is the point that I want you guys to remember. What I said in the beginning of the session. We think like a fundamentalist and we trade like a technician. I want to show you one position or something. If you look at the Euro Aussie, before I go back and do the, but this is very important. I'll put a daily chart here. And as you can recall, in the beginning of 2013, everybody and his grandfather was saying that the Eurozone is going to be dismantled, that it is going to go to hell in a handbasket. And we were short the euro, and the euro had interest rate 0, and the Australian had 2.5%. So you got a carry trade and you got a fundamental trade. So everybody and his was taking it short, and we took it short. And so that you know that we did, we closed the trade at 117.74. I'm putting so that you will see what I'm talking about. 117.74. This right there, this point, this was the intraday structure. We closed the trade over here and we turned and took it long. And here is the, as soon as I turn it on, you will see. There is the trade. We closed it at 117.74. You see in the window? This is where we closed the trade and we started taking it long. While everybody was saying it's a nightmare, we have to take it long and we have to stay with it long, long, long. Look at the trade. So we're thinking like a fundamentalist and we're trading like a technician. If this says it's going up, I don't care who sings the doom and the gloom. The price is the leading indicator. We have to go with the price. And look at the trades. So going back to the Euro, thanks Khalid. I don't know if he dragged it out of hell, but he's definitely talking I mean, he's the best one that talks the euro higher. I mean, I don't know how is he doing it, but he's doing it. It's just, anyway, we can have our discussion in the trading room when you come into the trading room. So with this, guys, we really don't know. I don't like this. I mean, this is a little bit, my bias is to the downside. I have to take the year end into consideration. So if we are going to short it, I'm going to short it below the low of the day, which is 141.90. And if I'm going to buy it, I'm going to buy it above the 142.84. So again, I want the market to lead me in which way it is wanting to go. So for the euro yen, I'm going to buy it above 140. What was the number? I'm buying it above 142.80. And the 142.80 is here. We're going to put a line here so that it can indicate it. That can't be. buying it above 142.80, and if I do, I'm going to put my stop below 142.20. I have to give it some room. And the structure long point is 149. You got 700 pips to the upside. 149.24. And on the short side, I'm only going to go short below 142. If it breaks the 142, I'm not going to touch it unless it breaks the 142. Because after all this liquidation, it came back halfway, so I have to give it some room. And the structure short point is 140.89. So I'm buying above 142.80. My structure long point is 149.24, and my stop is 142.20. On the short side, I'm going to go short below 142 even, and my structure short point is 140.89, and my stop is going to be 142. I'm going to be very tight with the stop. I'm going to be 142.30. If it comes above the 1 daily low, I'm out of there. Okay, that is the Euro Yen. So let's save that.